You often see cucumbers on people's eyes in spas and other relaxation-oriented environments, but it is also a popular home remedy for eye conditions like puffiness, swelling, dark circles, irritation, and wrinkles, among others. 1. Swelling and puffiness. There are quite a few active ingredients in cucumbers, including vitamin C and caffeic acid. Both of these substances are known to soothe inflammation and eliminate water retention in the space around your eyes, moving it to other parts of the face and sinuses. This will reduce the puffiness and swelling that can occur, whether from exhaustion, allergic reactions or other causes. 2. Irritation. There are many antioxidants and other anti-inflammatory properties in cucumbers that can help them to eliminate irritation or redness from around the eyes. Oftentimes, an allergic reaction will appear on the skin around the eyes, resulting in discoloration or even bloodshot eyes. Applying the soothing cucumber slices can quickly remedy this unsightly problem. 3. Dark circles. Dark circles often appear under the eyes when you are low on sleep or high on stress, but a relaxing cucumber eye treatment can soothe the dilation in those veins that are making the blood vessels more pronounced. Furthermore, the vitamin C present in the cucumbers will lighten the skin around the eyes to make the condition less noticeable. 4. Wrinkles. With a range of antioxidant compounds in this useful vegetable, preventing oxidative stress is entirely possible around the eyes. The wrinkles and crow's feet can be lessened when cucumbers are used to prevent the activity of free radicals and eliminate signs of premature aging, blemishes, and other marks on your skin. How to use cucumber on your eyes. It is easy to use a cucumber on your eyes to enjoy all these benefits, as the ingredients are incredibly simple. Step 1. Wash your face thoroughly and then pat it dry. Step 2. Cut 2 thick slices of a cucumber from the fridge and place one over each eye. Step 3. Allow them to stay in place for 20-30 minutes. Step 4. Rinse your eyes with cool water and pat dry. Note, you can repeat this process 3-4 times per week for excellent results and increasing improvement in the appearance of your eyes.